Hey, you what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. I just bought some combs, from Toni&Guy, from AliExpress. I don't know if maybe it's real or fake, but you all can help me and say if maybe it's real or fake because I don't really know. So sit tight, man. Alright. Here I got really different type of combs, So the first one, I guess they also got a number. I guess so. So the first one is this one. See the number? Okay, I don't know if maybe it's real or fake. I just saw it on AliExpress, so I said, okay, let me just buy it and show it to you guys, Okay. See that? Okay. This one got also number. Or maybe all are the same number. No. No. They are not the same number. Okay. So okay. And there are some also interesting comb, like this one. You see? But I guess it's a fake. That's what I guess. Because it was really cheap, Okay. So, should I include these combs to my 5K giveaway or not? I mean, all of them, Ooh, this one is something different. Okay. Okay. So just leave your comment on the comment section below. Just let me know if maybe I should include these combs to my 5K giveaway, you know. And that's it, man. And peace.